Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott with analysis. Today I'll go through Nasdaq again. So if you look at my previous idea on the 4th of November, right, I mentioned that I mentioned a long 10 short, right? But this overall short idea, right? I also talk about, with 5 itself, right? Should not hit another new all-time high, right? Because of the Fibonacci relationship over here, right? So I'll repeat this again, right? So wave 1 is the longest wave, right? And then wave 3 itself then restrict the length of wave 1, right? So if we do a Fibonacci extension of wave 3 against the entire wave 5, right? This is the maximum that wave 5 can go. Okay. So previously what happens is that we identify this as a wave 4, right? ABC, right? And then this looks like a wave 1, wave 2, and then a wave 3. So that is why there is a wave 4 and then expecting a wave 5. Now what happens is that over here, because of the breakdown of this trend line, right, and then breaking down below this, right, which was the previously identified wave 2, right, and also because we can now see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, a clear 5 wave with the sub wave itself being having wave 5, right, having 5 waves themselves, right. It means that actually this is really the peak, right? So somewhere the wave 4 and wave 5 is hidden within this whole move up, right? This impulse move up. The other possibility is that wave 4 itself is actually A, B, and C, right? So it's a irregular kind of a correction. So wave 4 is here, right? This is another possibility. Okay, this one another possibility, and then this wave 5, right? I'm talking about this sub wave 5, right? For now it's no longer important, right? Because we have a break in the structure, right? So now the peak is confirmed, right? In fact, previously the peak is already confirmed, right? Because of this the law that wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave, right? In terms of price, it's already confirmed. Now what happens is that now we have completed wave 1 down, okay, and this is likely to be a wave 1 of a lower degree, okay, and then we have a wave 2. Now where can wave 2 go to, right? In terms of alert wave, right, wave 2 can actually retrace all the way back to the start of wave 1, but it will not break, it will not make a new high. Okay, so over here you see this trend line, and the question then is, will this trend line hold, right? That means it will hit here and come down. Now there is a good chance that it will, right? Because like I said, this is an important support that has now turned into a resistance. Okay, and also if you look at this, if it comes up here, it will also hit this wave 3, right? The end of wave 3. Okay, so this is one place that is possible that wave 2 will stop and then come down for wave 3, right? If not, just take note that my preferred way is to look for a reversal, right? So if you hit here and it comes down, I may try, right? And then whatever new high that is made, right, I will just set a stop loss above it. All right, so the short idea will be valid all the way until, if it makes a new all-time high, right? So it's all the way here, this entire range that is shortable. Okay, you just have to manage your risk well. Okay, yeah, so this is for Nasdaq as well as S&P, right? So we have already seen the peak, and now we are in a bear market. Okay, thank you.